Yo guys, what up? We're back in the fridge. We got Todd Christensen today. I'll link his channel below. But it's gonna be sick. Yeah, they got moguls today, which I'm not gonna touch because I don't like moguls. But it's gonna be tough. So it's gonna be a fun day. All right, first lap. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh yeah. We're cooking. Why is the challenge rail closed, bro? Come on. Jump. That jump's pretty bad. It's good, it's all good. Alright, 50. One swap, oh yeah. That was tough. That was cool. Alright. Holy afterbang, that was it. Yeah. Oh, he did not have that. No, you tried. Let's get, that one got through some crazy afterbang, bro. Like, most, alright, I don't know. Maybe try backslide? Oh, I slipped out. Frick. That was cool though. 180, so tough. Go for the, what's this, rainbow to flat box? Hold on, you gotta see this trick I learned on the ball. Oh yeah. Very steezy and cool. Alright. Go ask this guy why the rail's closed. Yo bro, why is the other one closed? Why is that one like closed? You guys gonna open it? Nah, what happened?
They ran over it.
Huh?
They ran over it.
Oh. So you guys have to close it now? Alright. No, they're not gonna open the challenge rail. That's really sad. That is really sad. Let's hit this amazing jump. Oh my god. Best jump I've hit in my life. Hold on. Gotta set like a spin. Ow. That one, ow. Could have been worse, honestly, though. But it's all good. Yeah, sadly, he said the challenge rail's not gonna open, so... Wait, that's really sad. So we gotta find fun stuff to do. Backslide? My backslides are not steezy. What should I do? Let's go for the battleship. 50-50. Steezy, hold on. Bang. Bang. Oh yeah. Tail tap, I think. I don't know. Alright, I actually gotta start trying new stuff. Yo, let's go right here, front swamp. I'm calling it. Maybe. We got that. Let's go switch. Woo. Hold on. Hit this rail. Gotta hit every feature that you can. Hold on this thing. Oh yeah. Hit that. Oh yeah. Let's try a little front two. Nope. Dang, bruh. Nah, it's good. It's all good. It's all good. We gotta keep the momentum going. Keep the momentum going. Alright, front squat. Oh yeah. That was not a clean front squat, but I'm gonna give it to myself because that rail's high and it's not round, so it's harder to swap. Oh no, Todd just ate it. I don't have speed for that, do I? Yo, you good?
Yeah.
That's alright. Let's try like a nose butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go like nose butter one over the ball. We're gonna hit this one from the side. That was not cool at all. That actually looked really lame. Alright. Slow down, cause oh my god. Oh, we could definitely carve in and hit that. We're doing it. I don't care if it's closed. Can't stop me. Drop and switch. And I have no speed. Hold up, watch this though. It's about to be Steezy. Steezy. Oh yeah. Alright, sick. Oh my god, I stuck. I stuck really bad. It's okay. Alright, we're gonna hit the coming from the side here. Ow. That didn't work. Yeah. I'm good. Yo, I nailed my knee though.
What?
Nailed my knee, but yeah.
You didn't hit your balls?
No, I hit my knee.
Oh, that's good. That's better than your balls, I think.
Yeah. That sucked though. Ow. Oh, that really hurt. How, bro? I hate shit on that rail. Ow, that hurt my knee. Ow. Well, guys, don't go on the rail if it's closed. Now you know why. Ah, that hurts so bad. Ow. And now time for today's video sponsor, not David Protein, because no one wants to sponsor me. Please sponsor me, David Protein Bars. I love your protein bars. They're very good and yummy. Please sponsor me. I would love to be sponsored because I'm broke and I need a sponsorship. So please sponsor me. You make very good protein bars.
You guys checking out camera?
I heard you guys want a bite. Have a. This is fudge brownie flavor. Probably my favorite, I think. Actually, I don't know. It's very good though. A lot of protein. You want to be sponsored, Todd?
It's alright.
No?
Nah. You know who I want to sponsor me?
Who do you want to be sponsored by?
It's Scratch.
Scratch.
Good.
Sponsor Todd.
Scratch with the K.
Alright. Scratch, you should sponsor Todd and David Protein. Please sponsor me. Better. You know, miraculously, after I ate that protein bar, my knee is like healed. Definitely sponsor me, David Protein Bars. Come on, we gotta get this front squat. Ah, that was kind of. Ish. You gotta clip Todd. He's trying a 180. He said he's gonna do it before the jump dies. I think the jump's been dead, but you know. Alright, Todd, you're good. Go. Oh, he's dropping. Imagine he does like a front flip, that'd be sick. Crazy speed. That was steezy. That was very steezy. That was tough. What are you doing, little bro? Stuck in the jump. Alright. Oh, that guy just like fell. Whoa, no, almost fell. Bro! No, I caught my edge. Hold on, I gotta do the spinny thing. Oh yeah, very cool. I got snow on my glove, it's cold. It's cold. We gotta get this front spot, bro. Just once and for all. Like, just... Okay, I just suck at skiing. Ow. Oh, if I fell on my phone and broke it, I'm gonna be pissed. I did that one time. I broke my phone and fell on it. We're locked out anyway. We're leaving. I'm calling it. Setup is not it today. So, we're calling it. Today, we're calling it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe because I should get sponsored. Oh, and tag K2 in the comments to sponsor me. But yeah.